Well, if you're trying to call him, Hope said his phone's not working.
Check with the driver.
Yeah, maybe he just stopped and got flowers or something.
Yeah.
Oh, please, I'm going to throw up if he's stopping to get some doorkeep or something.
Oh, wouldn't that be sweet? That'd be so nice.
Hey, this is Bill Spencer. I'm calling to check the status of the pickup at my house earlier. Canceled? Well, who canceled it? No, that's okay. Don't worry about it. Listen, I need another car at my house right away, please. All right, thanks. Oh, I know exactly what happened. He thought the limo would be too pretentious, so he canceled it, called the cab, and he knew if he came back in the house and told me about it, we'd argue.
You didn't answer the phone, didn't you? No. I wonder where he is.
Oh, your girlfriend still understands.
Yeah, I never get that.
You don't want to be first at party. It's not cool.
It's just, we haven't been together a whole lot lately, and I have this new job that's keeping me super busy, and I'm not devoting as much time to her as I should.
She's angry.
No, she's not even angry. Although if she was, she probably wouldn't even say so, because she's so sweet and nice, and cares about other people's feelings, so...
That's aggressive, yeah. You should tell her.
What?
Yeah, you can do better. I have this cousin who needs green card.
No, thank you. Do you have like, water back here or something?
Well, you want drink?
Yeah, I get all worked up and...
I have vodka.
Water.
Vodka like vodka.
Oh. Hey, this street, I know this.
Yes, we are getting close, I think.
No, when you get in the left-hand turn lane, you have to make a right. No, trust me, it's a right.
Customer no sell.
Yeah, we'll miss everything. What does that sound?
No.
What?
I know I should have filled that tank.
What, out of gas?
We passed station about a mile back. Won't take us very long to walk there.
Okay, alright, okay. You know what? You know something? Here, take this. 1, 2, 3. Here, take this. Go buy yourself a phone. Alright, there's that. And this is for gas. You are making that walk on your own, lady. I've got to get to that point.
The feeling of home. It's soft mixed melodies with cashmere songs.
I had a dream last night. Got a perfect gift idea for the kids.
Get them their dream gift with our brand name electronics.
Me too.
Christmas costs less at Walmart. Save money, live better.
We're here to see how people react when they try new Colgate Sensitive Pro Relief. I'd like you to rub this new toothpaste where you feel pain. Now, what I'd like you to do is take a sip of this ice-cold water.
No way.
How is it?
Wow, there's no pain.
Good. It's actually worked flat.
I was innocent. I'm fully innocent. How does it work?
Well, the patented ProArgent formula instantly seals open tubules to your nerves. With daily brushing, you get long-lasting relief.
New Colgate Sensitive Pro Relief for instant and lasting relief. Prove it to yourself. Colgate, recommended by dental professionals.
Shop for the holidays at the West Coast Christmas Show. Entertaining ideas, celebrated chefs, inspiring decor, local artisans, and endless gift ideas. The West Coast Christmas Show, November 26th to 28th at Trade X in Abbotsford.
Who wants the same nail color day after day?
Not me.
New Revlon Top Speed Nail Enamel. Cool color with a built-in top coat that sets in just 60 seconds.
With Revlon, you can change your mind again and again and again.
New Revlon Top Speed Nail Enamel.
The Best of DC with Rebecca Hall.
Backed by popular demand after a sold-out run last year, the Arts Club Theater Company presents Irving Berlin's White Christmas, the musical. Based on his classic holiday film, this unforgettable musical about love and friendship features more of Berlin's favorites and explodes on stage with a versatile cast singing beautifully and tap dancing furiously. Make your holidays merry and bright. See the show that will leave you dreaming of a white Christmas.
Well, I'm sure Steffi would be thrilled to know that we stood up. Excuse me. Do you want to dance?
Yeah, I'd love to.
Good.
Everyone, can I have your attention, please? Thank you. I just want to welcome everybody once again to Forrester Creations' Endless Summer Party. Just to clarify, we are here to celebrate the amazing success of the Hope for the Future line. And I know I've said a few words before, but I think everybody has finally arrived. So once again, I want to welcome back our very own Hope Logan.
Hi, everyone. Wow, this place is packed. Yeah, this is a really big night. One that I have really been looking forward to, and I'm so thankful to be able to spend it with all of you. I am. You know, I mean, who could ask for anything better than spending the night with friends and coworkers, right? I really do appreciate all of you who took the time, you know, to come spend this night with me. It's moments like this where you learn who really cares. Thank you again so much for everyone's support and for showing up. Yeah, all right, let's turn the music back up and close this place down. Okay.
I've been trying to call you like crazy.
Sorry, it's loud in here.
Okay, Liam's on his way. It could only detain him so long.
What did you do?
Don't worry about it. So are you putting the moves on Hope or what?
I think something might happen, but I need a little more time.
You don't have time. Liam is totally running down the canyon as we speak.
Running down the canyon? What are you talking about?
You don't want to know. Just get Hope out of there right now.
Come on! You okay?
Yeah. Trying to have a good time.
You wondering about Liam?
I just don't understand why he would ditch me, or not even take the time to call me. I just want to go home.
You want me to walk you to your car?
Madison drove.
From the looks of things, I don't think she's going to want to go home anytime soon.
Nope, I'm clearly not the one she's leaving with tonight.
I think we can ride home.
Yeah, that'd be great, actually. Yeah.
Just one thing, my car's at home. I just got to run home and grab it.
That's fine. I mean, you're just up the beach. You can walk there.
Okay, cool. Go back to my place. Don't tell me we'll never leave.
You're the one that kept pouring wine.
No, if she was going to leave, I wanted her to pass out.
I hate your phone.
So?
No, you should look at it for the email.
There's an email.
Yeah, but nobody's heard from him. He's in trouble.
If he was in trouble, he would email
I
me?
don't know. Just look at it.
Jared.
Jared.
See? Oh, you know, it sends me these stupid forwards.
Marcus. Excuse me. Marcus. Hey. Where you been? What happened to you? That's a long story. Where's Hope? Oh, she's around here somewhere.
She's asking about you.
Yeah. There's Madison. Where? Thanks. Hey, here's the phone. Yeah. Ready to go?
Actually, can I have some water?
Sure.
Or you know what, on second thought, do you have anything stronger?
You're underage, Hope. If the press found out, it'd be all over the tabloids. Stick to water, trust me.
I cannot believe that Liam didn't show.
I hate to say it, but I figured you wouldn't.
Really?
He's a Spencer now. He told me how much he's been working. He's got other priorities.
He promised. He promised me he'd be there. I mean, why would he tell me that? You know, he called me and said that he was getting a limo. Why would he say that if he was just going to blame me on?
I don't know. Kind of glad he didn't know show, though. Everything happens for a reason, you know?
You gotta stop stopping yourself, son.
I'm a little sick. You got a mad dog bringing heat from the right.
A wall of hurt on your left, but you have over about it. It's time to deliver. Go get him, kid! Balls! A pep talk in every drop with triple soothing action.
As many as 2 million Canadians are affected by a disease with no symptoms. Maybe it's somebody you know. Your health is your responsibility. Stop the silent thief before it stops you.
1 in 4 women are at risk for osteoporosis, and it's not always easy to get the calcium we need. Caltrate Plus provides calcium, plus vitamin D and other minerals to help prevent osteoporosis. It's never too early or too late. Caltrate. The gods of Olympus knew how to celebrate with a divine creation, Ferrero Rocher, the deliciously layered chocolate with a heavenly taste. Now within our grasp, Ferrero Rocher, could there be a more divine creation? One day, a goddess was offered the most divine gift. Ferrero Collection. Truly delicious chocolates. Ferrero Collection. Could there be a more divine creation? When we told Hilton that new Campbell's Light ready-to-enjoy soups are made with less salt than the soups we made 5 years ago, he wondered, will they be delicious? So we showed him. Hilton rediscovered flavor here, here, and here. And thanks to new Campbell's Light Minestrone with 25% less calories, he discovered a delicious way to help manage weight. Here. Look for the blue band. Campbell's. Delicious just got healthier.
After a night out with your friends, not having a plan for a safe ride home can leave you in a bad spot. You could end up riding in an ambulance, or a police car, or this other mode of transportation that will not be taking you home. Your plan for a safe ride home could include a taxi, a designated driver, or public transit. Choose your ride. Drink responsibly and have a plan for a safe ride home.
Visit ArriveAlive.org to find out more. Arrive Alive. Drive sober.
Closed captioning of this program is brought to you in part by Westminster Savings. Talk to us. Together, we'll help you achieve better balance.
Peter!
Holy, what happened to you?
I had to show her from hell. So pissed.
Not exactly, but she's pretty disappointed.
I haven't found her. You know where she is? Dude, she already left.
With Oliver.
think they went to this place.
No, I swear, Di, you don't have to tip him. It's included. Yeah, I promise. Wait, you think he's cute? Give him your number. All right, hold on a second. I'll help you. What about you? Has he seen anyone?
Yes, Lance.
Donna, don't give him your number. All right, I love you. Goodbye. Goodbye.
Come here. No more interruptions.